Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to tell you about these Remy hair extensions that I just purchased. I really love them. For a while, they were called hotheads hair extensions in my hair, and they had like this sort of glue, and they were put in by a hairstylist that worked directly for hotheads. And they actually ended up ruining my hair. I was told that they were safe and that, they would help my hair actually grow rather than hurt it. And I was also told that there would be no damage when I took them out and that they would last for 6 months. Well, they last for 3 months, long story short, and I was really unhappy because I went to someone to take them out. She used this special solvent, and I don't know if it was her or the product, but it completely damaged my hair. So now I'm just doing clip-ins. So clip-ins is just easier for me, especially because I could take them out and put them in as I feel like, and they do literally no damage to the hair whatsoever. I found these online, and just a little bit about the product is there was something that said there was 2 packs needed. They're 70 gram with 14 clips in each pack. Usually 2 packs is recommended for customers who have fine type of hair like me to add length and volume, or 3 packs if you like really thick hair. I just purchased the one for now because I just wanted to try it out and see if I liked it. And yes, I want thick hair, but I was doing it more for the length than anything else because my hair is like shoulder length. And I actually purchased these for the first time right before my wedding because my friend did my hair. She's a hairstylist, and I wanted her to curl my hair, and she used just 1 pack, and I didn't want my hair to look too thick because it's usually on the thin side. She curled them, put them in my hair. It was great. I bought Remy. Remy's awesome. They have like ombre hair. They have highlighted hair. I at the time had blonde highlights in my hair, so I bought hair with it was either light brown or blonde highlights, and they literally mixed perfect with my hair. These I wore last night. I wore them straight. They come straight. So this is actually, I've worn them like 5 times since I bought them. I haven't curled them or anything yet, but since I have used Remy in the past products and hair extensions, I know that they do curl just perfectly fine. Super easy. After a while, you have to wash them. I try to use like a sulfate-free shampoo to wash them in, and just let them air dry, and then you could like re-straighten it. But I have straightened mine a lot because I curl them and stuff. That's why I needed a new pack. They just get like ruined after a while, of course, like anything else. They could be dyed and styled. They're 100% Remy human hair with finished length. These are either 14 or 16 inches. I think these are 14 inches. I bought like a dark brown shade, but they come in, of course, like I said, every color you could think of, as well as highlights and stuff like that. So they might have different color differences because of monitors. To ensure color match, you can email pictures taken in outdoor natural lights to Remy. They're literally like so easy to clip in. This is like the back so you guys could see, and just like once you put them in your hair, it's so easy. You just kind of like section your hair off. They literally, when I say it takes a minute to put in, it's the easiest thing ever. I wore these last night, and everyone, like, no one knew that I even had extensions, and they were like, oh my god, did you get the keratin treatment done? Like, your hair looks great. And like, no, it's clip-in extensions, and they're awesome. So they feel nice and soft and smooth. They feel awesome. They stay straight, they stay curly, however you style them. So yeah, when you section your hair off, you just put them in piece by piece, and then you could clip them in like this. Clips are awesome. They stay. End of the day, night, whatever, when you want to take them out, just open the clips up, pull them gently out of your hair. It does literally no damage. So awesome. Clip-in hair extensions are safe to wear and cause absolutely no damage to your hair. Clip them in and out whenever you like. That's the beauty of it. Then, like, you could add oomph to your hair for any kind of event that you are going to or that you want to do. Like I have friends' weddings coming up. I'll definitely, like this Saturday at my friend's wedding, I'll be having my friend do my hair, the one that's a hairdresser, and have her curl my hair and put it up with these to add length. So you can see like the texture. It's 100% real human hair. Beautiful. I love these. So soft, literally feels like my own hair. I don't feel weird wearing them at all because no one knows that they're extensions. They just think it's my hair, unless I tell them, of course. Unless they really know me and know what my real hair length is, which is shoulder length. They're just beautiful, all natural, versatile. They naturally blend in with your own hair, can be styled with hot tools. And this particular one, I think it came with all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different amount of clips on each one. There might have been an extra somewhere, but this was like this is all I feel like I needed to wear. So if there was extra, then I could just like, you know, use those at another time, but I feel like this was the right amount for my hair and for what I needed. I just would put like, you know, the 2 smaller clips on the side, and would put these like, of course, in like the middle of my hair to section it off. Came out beautiful, super happy with it. I'll continue buying Remy products, and I hope you guys found this video useful. Have a good day.